Let's make an easy vegetable beef soup with veggies I have on hand. First, I went ahead and preheated a pot over medium heat. Add your ground beef and season with your favorite seasonings. I used Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And then go ahead and cook your beef until it's no longer pink in the middle. Next, I sliced up some carrots and added those and mixed it with my ground beef. I did 1 can of petite tomatoes, about 5 to 6 cups of beef broth, some fresh garlic and Worcestershire sauce, and then add about 1.5 to 2 cups of frozen mixed veggies. I did corn, peas, and green beans, and then I mixed those all together. Next, go ahead and put your lid on your pot and then go ahead and bring your soup to a boil. Add 1 cup of pasta of choice and then go ahead and mix that in. As this is cooking, you are going to want to remove your lid and mix it throughout. Otherwise, the pasta will stick to the bottom of your pot. Once your pasta is done cooking, go ahead and turn it down to a simmer and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes to let those flavors come together. I'll put the full recipe in the description below and then follow me for more recipes.